Isabella from Vacuums R Us. I'm here today to talk to you about the S65, the Simplicity Stick Vacuum. This lightweight stick vacuum altogether weighs 5.5 pounds and has a runtime of 25 minutes. Unlike other stick vacuums, to start the S65, you pull the trigger here and you don't have to keep holding it like other stick vacuums. The S65 is completely cordless. Like other stick vacuums, the S65 has an easy access dirt cup. The dirt cup is also easily removable, so you can clean it. The S65 also comes with a disposable Hepa filter. The S65 comes with a high power and a low power setting. The high power setting we use to pick up lighter debris, like sand. The S65 comes with a detachable wand. The S65 also comes with an attachment caddy. The attachment caddy allows for the safe, easy storage of your stick vacuum. The S65 also comes with a wide variety of attachments. This is the S65's carpet tool. It has bristles, so it works better on carpet. It also comes with a microfiber bare floor tool. This is my favorite tool because not only does it vacuum, it polishes your floors. The S65 also comes with a turbo tool, best used for pet hair. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact the team here at Vacuums R Us.